As per you, is hiring people for the role of software engineers. No experience is required. That means experienced candidates and non-experienced candidates can apply for this job. Employment is full-time and the workplace is pan-India. Skills needed for this job is B or BTech, BCA, MCA, ME or MTech. Ability to work in fast-paced, demanding, rapidly changing environment, ready for shifts, hunger to learn and implement solutions in a fast-paced and challenging environment. Roles and responsibilities, clarity in basic fundamentals of programming and related concepts. That means you should know programming languages and its basics. Ability to explain logic for written codes. You should have the knowledge of knowing the logic for the codes that you have written. Focused on developing codes. Will be involved in discussion with clients and architects about development plan and design. Produces code that is sufficiently supported by test units. These are some of the roles and responsibilities. Now let me see how we can apply for this job. After clicking apply now button, you will be redirected to this page where you can apply for this job. First they will be asking first name, last name, email ID, mobile number, academic area. Here they have given only electronics, mechanical, IT department. Then your aggregate percentage or CGPA. Area of interest, they have given a 4 area of interest: MuleSoft, Salesforce, Snowflake, Tabule. You can choose any one of the technologies you want. Then you can upload your resume. Then you should answer for this question and you can tick this I am not a robot. Then you can submit the form. After they will be contacting you regarding this application, and the other procedures will be taken after that. All the best for your interview preparation.